Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Better Daily. I'm Lena.
And I'm Tom. We're really happy you're here with us. Thanks for choosing to practice English today.
If you enjoy our lessons, don't forget to subscribe. It helps the channel grow and it motivates us to create more episodes for you.
Today, we're talking about something super important. Feelings. How to describe them, how to understand them, and how to use simple English to talk about emotions in daily life.
Feelings are a big part of everyday conversations, but many learners don't know which words to use. Today, we'll fix that.
And we'll share some funny and personal stories along the way. So get comfortable and let's begin.
All right, Tom, how are you today? What's your feeling?
I'm feeling...
Calm.
I woke up early, made a big breakfast, and for once, nothing went wrong.
That's rare for you.
Very rare. Usually I spill coffee or lose my keys.
Today I feel cheerful. On my way to the studio, someone gave me a free muffin. Free baked goods always improve my mood.
Lucky. So we already used two helpful words, calm and cheerful.
And of course, the simple ones. Happy, sad, tired. We'll get to those too.
Let's start with the basics. Lena, when do you usually feel happy?
I feel happy when I cook dinner with my sister. We play music and dance around the kitchen like two crazy people.
I want to see a video of that.
Absolutely not.
I feel happy when I finish a difficult task. You know that, yes, I did it moment. It feels great.
And what makes you feel sad?
Honestly, saying goodbye at the airport. I'm always emotional there.
Same, even when I'm not traveling. I see other people crying and I start crying.
And tired? That one is easy. Monday morning.
Yes, Monday is Universal Tiredness Day. Okay, let's talk about physical feelings, the things our body tells us. These are still feelings, just not emotional ones.
Yes, and they're super useful in daily English. Like the easiest one, hungry. I'm hungry right now. Actually, I'm always hungry.
I knew you were going to say that. Tom's hunger is like the weather, constantly changing, but always returning.
That's accurate. This morning, I ate breakfast at 8. By 9:30, my stomach said, "Hello, more food, please."
Meanwhile, I'm the opposite. I eat slowly and I stay full for hours. But right now, I'm not hungry. I'm thirsty. I didn't drink enough water before we started recording.
I always forget to drink water. My brain forgets I'm human. It only remembers coffee.
Coffee doesn't count as hydration, Tom.
It counts emotionally.
That's not how science works. But back to vocabulary. Hungry and thirsty are the basic ones. But English has more physical feeling words too.
Yes. For example, full. When you eat too much.
Like after a big holiday dinner. I always say, I'm so full I can't move.
Same. Or cold and hot are also physical feelings.
When I'm outside in winter, I say, I feel cold. I need a warm jacket.
And in the summer, I always say, I'm hot. I need ice cream. Ice cream solves everything.
And then we have sore, which means your body hurts a little.
Oh yes, I felt sore last week after doing squats at the gym. I couldn't walk normally. I looked like a robot in pain.
You always look like that after the gym.
Thank you for your support.
Anytime. Another useful word is sleepy.
That's my favorite. I feel sleepy every day at 3 p.m. My eyes start closing, my brain takes a break, and I think, maybe I should just nap under my desk.
Same. In my office, around 3 p.m., everyone gets quiet. That's the universal sleepy hour.
So, to recap this chapter, we talked about feeling hungry, thirsty, full, hot, cold, sore, and sleepy. These are all physical feelings we can use every day.
And they're simple to use. Just I am or I feel plus the word.
Exactly. For example, I'm hungry. I feel cold. I'm sore after exercise. I feel sleepy after lunch.
And if you're Tom, you can say all of them at once.
I contain multitudes of feelings.
Mostly hunger.
Mostly hunger.
Now let's move to stronger feelings. One of my favorites is excited.
Yes, excited is that mix of happiness and energy. I feel excited when I plan a weekend trip.
I feel excited before a concert, even if it's a band I barely know.
And the cousin of excited is nervous.
Oh, yes, I feel nervous before job interviews. My hands get cold and I forget my own name.
I feel nervous before calling the doctor. I don't know why. The doctor is always nice.
Nervous is normal. It means something is important to you.
Let's talk about a feeling nobody likes. Angry.
I get angry when I'm stuck in traffic and the person in front of me is texting instead of driving.
I get angry when someone eats my food from the fridge. That's betrayal.
Serious betrayal.
And sometimes we're not angry, just frustrated, like when the internet stops working right before a video call.
Exactly. What helps you calm down?
I take a short walk or drink water. What about you?
I promise myself pizza later.
Now a fun one. Surprised.
I love surprises. Last week, my friend sent me a postcard from another country. Totally unexpected.
My biggest surprise this month, my plant didn't die.
That is a surprise.
And scared? When do you feel scared?
When I hear strange noises in my apartment at night,
I feel scared when I watch horror movies, but I still watch them. Why do I do this to myself?
for the adrenaline and the regret afterwards. All right, let's dive into two very important feelings, relaxed and stressed. They're total opposites, but we feel both of them all the time.
Yes, exactly. Let's start with the nice one, relaxed. I love that feeling. I feel relaxed when I sit on my balcony with a cup of tea and absolutely no notifications on my phone.
Wow, no notifications? That's rare. My phone sends notifications even when nothing is happening. It's like, hey, Lena, did you know nothing happened today?
My phone does that too. That's why I put it on silent in the evening. Silence is beautiful.
I feel most relaxed on Sunday mornings. I wake up slowly, make a big breakfast, and read a book. No rushing, no emails, no schedule.
That sounds perfect. For me, the most relaxing moment of the week is when I finish exercising. Even when I don't want to work out, afterwards I feel peaceful and proud.
Yes, post-exercise relaxation is real. It's like your body says, good job, now sit down forever.
Exactly. Now, let's go to the opposite feeling, stressed. The one we all know too well.
Oh, yes. I feel stressed when I have too many deadlines at the same time. My brain just freezes, like a computer that needs to restart.
I feel stressed when I open my email and see 32 unread messages. 32! I close my laptop immediately and pretend I didn't see it.
That's not solving the problem, Tom.
It solves it emotionally, for 10 minutes.
Listeners, stressed is a super useful word. It means your mind is full, your body is tense, and you feel pressure. People feel stressed at work, at school, even at home.
Yes, and stress shows up in funny ways. When I'm stressed, I eat snacks nonstop. Chips, chocolate, anything.
When I'm stressed, I clean. I start organizing everything. My desk, my kitchen, my bag. Suddenly I'm cleaning like it's my career.
Hey, that's productive. When I'm stressed, I do absolutely nothing. I just lie on the sofa and stare at the ceiling.
The ceiling stare, classic stress move.
Totally. But the good news is, there are ways to feel relaxed again.
Yes. For example, deep breathing. I take slow breaths, and it helps my body calm down.
I walk outside for 5 minutes. Even a short walk helps me reset.
I also listen to music that makes me feel peaceful. Classical, jazz, or even soft lo-fi beats.
Sometimes I talk to a friend. Just saying out loud, hey, I feel stressed, makes me feel lighter.
That's a great tip. Talking about stress reduces stress.
Listeners, you can use these simple sentences in English. I feel stressed today. I'm a little stressed about my exam. I need a moment to relax.
And of course, I feel relaxed now. I'm finally relaxed after work. This music makes me feel relaxed.
The goal is not to avoid stress completely. It's impossible. The goal is to find balance, Moments of calm inside a busy day.
Yes, relaxation doesn't have to be a 2-week vacation. It can be a cup of tea, a short walk, a warm shower, or 5 minutes of quiet.
And remember, being stressed doesn't mean you're doing something wrong. It means you're human.
Exactly. And giving yourself time to relax is not lazy, it's healthy.
Wow, this might be the most peaceful chapter we've ever recorded.
I know. I almost feel relaxed right now.
Almost. Because after this, we still have more chapters to record.
Oh no, stress is back.
See? Balance. Let's explore deeper feelings. First, proud.
I felt proud last month when I finished a big project at work.
I felt proud when my nephew learned to ride his bike. I recorded like 20 videos.
What about disappointed?
I felt disappointed when a picnic I planned was canceled because of rain.
I felt disappointed when my favorite cafe closed early. I needed that coffee.
And lonely, a very real feeling.
I feel lonely sometimes on Sunday evenings. Everything is quiet.
I used to feel lonely when I moved to a new city, but meeting new people helped a lot.
Remember, all emotions are normal, and sharing them makes them easier to understand.
We explored so many feelings today, from happy to nervous, from excited to lonely.
And you learned how to use simple structures like I am and I feel to talk about emotions.
Now we have one question for you, and we want you to answer in the comments. What is one thing that made you feel happy this week? Just one small thing.
A good cup of tea, a nice walk, talking to a friend, anything.
Sharing your feelings is great English practice, but it also helps you reflect on your day.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us. We're proud of you for practicing today.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep being kind to yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode of Speak Better Daily.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.